Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into your Riot account online on your computer, and now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Riot account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in the address riotgames.com and hit on enter. And then you'll be directed to the home page of Riot Games over here like this, where as you can see the sign in button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on that sign in button at the top right corner of the screen where my mouse is hovering right now, and you'll be directed to the login page of Riot Games. Now in order to sign into your account, you can see you can log into your Riot Games account with your username or your password, or you can log into your Riot account with your Facebook, Google, Apple, Xbox and PlayStation account. Click on either of these buttons, a login to a respective platform will open, and if you log into your respected accounts, you'll be logged into your Riot account with your Facebook, Google, Apple or Xbox or PlayStation account. And with that being said guys, let's enter the username of our Riot Game account and the password which we signed up for a Riot Game account. And after entering your username and your password guys, simply click on this button where there is the red arrow, and you'll be logged into your Riot Game account online on your computer. And there guys, this is how to log into your Riot Games account on your PC. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.